something which might be a little hard for you to be able to do because to kind of think of all the different research you need might be a bit difficult. But you can also fill this practically with research. So let's say, for example, you are doing this iconic buildings one. What you could start to do is actually gather some images or do some questions. Now, one of the questions which I like to pose a lot using AI, you guys at the back, if you miss out on what I'm saying, I won't want to say it again. So please be patient enough and have the manners to follow what I'm doing. Right, so if I click on, whilst using Edge, if I click on the AI, it'll give me a chance to use AI in order to help me with what I'm doing. Now I'm doing the iconics brief, and the iconic brief is asking me to choose iconic locations in Manchester. But let's say, for example, I'm struggling with coming up with ideas. What I can do is I can show that as a research directly here as part of my evidence. So I'm going to go to here and I'm going to type in um, what are the most iconic locations in Manchester. Yeah. Now, this is actually part of my research because although I'm not actually doing it myself, it is part of my initial research because I'm asking AI a question which I'm kind of semi struggling with. Let's see what it gives me back. Let's make sure I actually get my spellings right. So, for my evidence, I'm going to need to evidence two things. One is the question, which I've asked, and number two is the information which pops up. But the great thing about it is that it's given me a load. So far we're getting a bit exhausted. It's already gone 12. Chinatown's a location. I never even considered Chinatown at any point in time as one. Heaton Park. The University of Manchester, definitely iconic. The Victoria Baths. Yeah, so 21. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to screenshot this area here showing that generates AI which has done it. I could do, but I could also explain. So taking that screenshot. Now, the reason why I'm doing it like this is to show that I'm actually using AI. I'm going to highlight this here to show that that's my question. And then I'm going to start to highlight a few of these as some of the locations. So I can take that screenshot now. Um, I'm calling it AI Manchester P1. Let's just select that. AI. And let's capitalize DM so we're working right. Selected. Copy that one. All right. So as was said, can scroll up a little bit more and then take another screenshot. Once again, trying to capture the same area. Highlight the key ones. So museum, yeah, cathedral, John Rylands, definitely. Football museum, we've already had that. Manchester Museum, don't know what, a cathedral. Save that. This is now going to be number 2. Let's see how many more I need. Um, so that was the last location which I got. Is your hand sore? Your hands? Are your hands sore? Oh, okay. Yeah, so hopefully this gives you an idea of what you could do in regards to putting some research in place because automatically now I've got a whole load. And previously I'd actually said try and fill your mood board with as many ideas as possible. This is evidence of my research. So when I actually look at my mind map now, my mind map's going to be full with all of these Fletcher Moss, Heaton Park, Salford Keys. There's a whole load of locations of Salford Keys which are really interesting. Um, to continue my research, what could I do to continue developing these, what I've got here? Because these are just words. What could I do to enhance this even further from primary research? What primary research could I do which would support these list of locations? Right, so I could do some research on the history, as you said previously. Yeah. Any other research I could do? But what about some some research which will make me actually see what this looks like. Image research. So what type of image research could I do? Digital or drawing. So I could go to location and start drawing. I could also go to location and also do what? Take photos. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to add this now to this little area over here. So I'm just going to import these as evidence of my initial research. So I want you to consider doing this as part of your evidencing of your initial research to help you with your project. Got those. Hopefully they're all going to go in. Now I'm going to scale them down and put them in place. Yep, so there's some research which would have been some research which I've added to this. Yeah. Now, if anything, I'm missing one key thing, and the one key thing is a little bit of a written description about this little piece of research which I've got to the side because I need to say that I've used AI to research to find me places in Manchester. So I have used AI to help. You see that got broken off. So this is a little reflection which I'm doing, or a summary. It can be summary, or it could be reflection. It's up to you how you want to state it as being. But generally, it's just to state the purpose of what I've done. Yeah, it's not doing what I want. Select, get off, go. All right. Locations, set this bold. Yep. So this is my little reflection about this research which I've got here. I'm just going to give it a color, and I'm going to have a couple of arrows coming off it to point to this being my research. Yeah, so that helps with this whole affair of that being the research related to that. The other type of research you could get, by the way, and you already started because initial research is I've got a couple of locations here, so I can back these up even further by going online and typing in the Museum of Science and Industry. So if I do a Google search on that, Google, bang, bang, image, and then I can get this image to go with it. So I can go with this one. So I'll just get that saved as an image. Right, so I'm hoping that can help because I shouldn't have to spend too much time. Just generally showing you how you can use AI to help you. So go and do that for your project. So for yourself, Axel, you might type in um, stuff to do with type of characters. So give me 3 ideas for characters I could do for character concept art, and the AI might generate a series of different types of ideas with some outline of what they could look like, and then you can show that as initial research. Yeah, so I want you all to try and use AI to support you with doing some initial research. Yeah, show the result, put in a comment.